I'll be using some expression braid to braid the hair out first, and then add the crochet braid. It has a kind of kinky texture to it, but that is what I'll be using to wrap the hair around to make the faux locks. And I'll also be using the pink Eco Styler gel to slick the hair a little bit. So you don't have to braid the hair all the way down to the end. You can just braid it just a little bit because you're gonna wrap it, so you don't need to braid it all the way down. Just enough so that your hair doesn't unravel from the crochet braid. And if you have short hair, then depending on the length of locks you want, then you need to add some braiding hair to that length that you want. So that's what I did. You don't have to braid the hair really tight. You can make it a little loose so that when you're adding the crochet braid to wrap it around, you will have enough room at the roots. So you don't have to make it too tight at the beginning. So you're gonna leave a little piece just from the root of the hair that you're gonna wrap, and you're gonna start wrapping from the root as tight as you can so the hair doesn't get loose. But it doesn't have to be tight on the locks, the rest of the locks, because you want it to be a bit frisky and movable, so you don't want it to wrap it too tight. If you wrap it too tight, then it's gonna be too stiff, and you want it to be flexible in case you want to put it up in a bun or a ponytail. So you just wrap it from the root as close to the scalp as possible, all the way down to the end. Once you finish wrapping it all the way down to the end, you're gonna bend the end of the hair, the braiding hair that you did earlier. Bend it upwards and continue wrapping upwards. Once you finish wrapping everything and you reach the end of the hair that you're gonna use to wrap, you're gonna just roll the hair, the locks in your hand, the palm of your hands, and it will allow the locks to just stick together so it doesn't unravel. You can see I added some burgundy braiding here. It is expression braid, just to give it a little color and look a little flashy. So I'll be doing the last braid, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. So this is the final result, guys. As you can see, I added some burgundy braid. It's expression braiding here, And this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what other hairstyles you would like me to do. See you next time.